Oh.
This is a moment we've been waiting for, Bill. How are you doing?
Hot. Very, very hot.
I think it's spicy enough for you.
Hello, welcome to Getting Spicy with Bill. I'm Bill. This is my friend,
Kristin.
talented actress, working on a bunch of cool projects right now. Has
Yeah,
thankfully joined me to go on this little adventure with us. We are at 24 Hot Chicken here in Studio C, right on Ventura Boulevard. And this place just opened a few months ago, and they recently introduced some vegan options. And Happy Cow, who I do some little work for on the side, let me know that they had these. And when I came down, I had to see the menu up there that read, amongst the spice levels, video this, amongst a number of spice levels. Now, of course, this made me super intrigued to come down here to see if, in fact, it is spicy enough for Bill, because it usually isn't. So, what we have here, Kristin,
Yeah.
is a pair of their vegan options. We have their sandwich, and we have their chicken tenders. Both of these are soy-based, all vegan. They've done a wonderful job. The Duke owner here has really set us up, including with some off-menu items. So not only have we gotten the video this level here, which is going to be represented by the front tenders that are here, which will split up here, one each. But also we have an off-menu spice level that involves the Carolina Reaper, the very famous Carolina Reaper, which until just recently was the single hottest pepper in the entire world. There's a couple of new peppers that have been introduced since then, but we are talking about 1.2 million Scoville units on the video list, the ghost pepper. And Trinidad Scorpion level. Forgot to mention that, I apologize. So it's a Trinidad Scorpion that's also on here. Now that's the second hottest pepper in the world after the Carolina Reaper. So we're talking about some pretty serious spice here. Ghost pepper and Trinidad Scorpion up to Carolina Reaper. Now the sandwich, on the other hand, that we have, that we're gonna also split up, all Carolina Reaper on that, all Carolina Reaper. And if you've watched my first video, which you have to, definitely should, the first one involved me eating something similar to this.
Fucking dank.
That was all a pure Carolina Reaper plus sauce. So we're kind of visiting some familiar territory here for myself. But you, Kristin, now have you had a Carolina Reaper yourself of any sort?
No.
What would you say the hottest pepper you've had so far is?
Ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper, okay, which is pretty powerful.
And just a little bit of it.
A little bit of it,
And
okay.
it was a lot. I love spice, but I am more of a mild tolerance.
Okay.
I'm excited though.
Sweet, I'm excited as well.
Thank you for having me.
All right, well, are you ready to dig into some of this and see where we can go? We've got our water here, we've got silverware, napkins, we've got some fries as a side. We're all kind of set up to go. Are you ready to dig into this?
I'm ready, Bill. Are you?
I'm more excited than you can imagine. So we're going to start with the chicken tender here up front. So take your wing of choice, your vegan wing of choice.
Boom.
Boom. All right, here we go. Ghost pepper Trinidad Scorpion rub.
It's coming off. All right.
It's already to get a little messy.
Very spicy. Good.
Oh my God, that's delicious.
That's really good. Wow. Wow.
I'm not afraid to get this on my fingers. Wow, it's got like this perfect crunch on the outside.
My mouth is starting to die, but it's really good.
It is really good.
Yeah, good flavor.
I'm getting that spice. It's getting right in the cheeks for me.
Tongue for me.
Now it just moved on to my tongue.
Yep. And get a fry.
Holy mother of God. That is spicy.
It's starting to get more spicy, so I'm going to lay it down.
So that's a little fun fact. In my experience with the Trinidad Scorpion pepper, is it has that creeper effect.
Yep.
You don't notice it right away.
It's getting stronger right now. Yep.
This is spicy. I'm not sure if it's quite spicy enough for me.
Probably not.
We're getting
But
there.
it's good. It's good flavor.
Mhm.
And yeah, you never get this with vegan food. So,
Mhm.
like we were saying, because we're both vegan, we're like, this is
Full
awesome.
vegan. Wow.
Fries. Yeah.
Okay, last bite.
Wow.
Mm-mm-mm-mm. I do declare this linger picking good. Mm.
Hot enough for you?
Just barely. Well, not quite. Let's try the Carolina Reaper. I am feeling the fire. I am feeling the fire.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling the fire too, but I'm down for the Reaper.
All right, you're the Reaper.
Nice.
Good morning.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, you ready?
All right. One more swig.
One more second. That's probably a safe idea. All smiles so far.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so we're on to the Carolina Reaper chicken tender.
Oh.
Number 2 out of 3. We've got 3 of these. No requirement to eat all of it, but you've got yours. I have mine.
Are you ready, Bill?
I am ready. Kristin, are you ready for the hottest pepper in the world? First time, correct? First time
First
Carolina
time,
Reaper.
first
Second
time.
time for me.
All right. Let's do it. I don't taste it yet.
This one can be a creeper too.
It's probably a creeper because I just ate it. I'm getting a little nose run.
It's a great flavor. I'm not feeling the heat yet.
It's a different flavor than the other one.
Very much, yes.
It's like faster, sharper, but not as strong. Maybe I didn't get enough of it. Should I try another bite?
Yes. Yes, you should. I'm going to too.
Okay, it's creeping a little.
It's creeping for me too.
Okay.
There it is.
Okay. It's good. Some like too hot. I can't even talk. It's like too spicy in my mouth. But it's a different spice than scorpion for
Oh
sure.
my god. Yes. Damn it, I need more spice. Where's the sandwich?
Okay, I think
Ugh.
the sandwich is you, Bill. I think it's you, unless you really want me to go with you.
One bite. Can you do one
Okay,
bite?
I'll do one bite.
So we go, sandwich, all Carolina Reaper here.
All right, Bill.
Cheers, thank you for going on this little journey with me. Boom. Taking the biggest bite my mouth can hold.
Starting to cry. But it's good. The pickle's nice. Nice touch.
Pickles are delicious. Can't have spicy chicken without pickles.
No. Oh, it's good. Oh. Okay.
No, not good.
What do you think, Bill? What's the spiciest? Spiciest, sorry.
That Trinidad, the first one, is what's got me the most.
Me too.
You too?
That one killed me, man. But we lived.
We did live. Are you gonna finish your tenders? Your ghost pepper?
I think I'll have some fries and some water.
That was nothing.
Wow, you really are gonna eat all this. I hope it's okay that I'm bailing out. Is that okay with you?
Kristin, you have done everything we wanted you to do.
Okay.
You came in, you killed something off of every single, one of the 3
At least one
that
bite.
Duke brought out for us.
Okay, well, thank you for understanding. I'm excited to see you do this, though. What are you doing next? More sandwich?
That's a good idea.
Yeah?
Let's do that. I'll finish off my half.
All right. I think they have a gurney outside for you.
Oh my God! Hey, it seems that the fire department has shown up in expectancy. Either we set the place on fire with the spice, or they anticipated my.
Get a shot of that.
So, little on my nose, somewhere in the
Oh.
process, I snorted some of that spice. Also not recommended, unless you're into that sort of thing. But we still have tenders here.
Yeah, it looks
And
like
we still have sandwich.
you got 2 tenders and part of a sandwich, right? Oh, you're gonna eat them both at the same time? You were hardcore, Bill.
It's never spicy enough. It's just not spicy enough.
I'm
Never
just
is.
now calming down. It's like, oh, I'm starting to see clearly.
It's at about that 15-minute mark, I feel like, after you do this.
Yeah.
You start feeling that. It's like 15 to 20 minutes and everything starts to be like, oh, okay.
Yeah, that first one though, you're right. That was killer.
Brutal, yes.
Yeah. This is intense. Oh man, you're going right for the sandwich. Oh my gosh, no. Fun fact, I met Bill at Groundlings. Really funny guy. We did some fun character work and improv class there. And we bonded over our love of The Legend of Zelda. How you doing?
Oh,
This is a moment we've been waiting for, Bill. How you doing?
hot. Very, very hot.
I think it's spicy enough for you.
My eyes. What are my eyes doing right now? I can't tell.
They are very watery. You want to get a close up of his eyes? I'm not sure if you do. He's feeling it.
Everything is on fire.
This is awesome.
Here and in here.
I'm proud of you. I wish I would be as hardcore as you. And... You're so exhausted. Is it like that painful burn, Bill, or is it just like...
It's accumulation.
Uh,
It is one bite left.
Are you leaving? Oh, okay. You need to take a walk outside?
No, I just had to get some blood flowing.
Yeah. Fire truck's waiting for you if you need it.
Next stop.
You're very hardcore.
This is spicy enough.
Is this awesome? I was
But
just
it-
about to
It
ask.
took that accumulation for you to say that, though, which is interesting.
Yeah, I reached the spice threshold.
Yeah, this is it.
I'm lying. I haven't yet.
You want us to order more for you?
Let's not go too far yet.
Proud of you.
Thanks, Kristin.
Well,
I really just did this video to get your approval. And now that I have, I think we can call it quits. Just kidding. Whoa, whoa. There was one little morsel left.
yeah, you got it?
I got it.
You're like crying. Aw. Oh, Bill.
I think I got a little bit in my eye. I think I got that a little bit too close to my face. Wow.
You okay?
Oh, I'm great. Gosh, I sure am good.
Feel alive now, right?
I think I'm going to go run a marathon after this. I heard there's a classic 26 miler downtown somewhere. I'm going to just go.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if that's going on. Do I look like I keep up with sports? Oh my God.
For spicy food sports.
An
Nice.
Olympic sport of its own, really.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh my word.
You need more napkins? Here you go.
Oh my God. You are my favorite person in the world right now. And guess where all this food just landed? Kaboom!
Yeah?
You might find me at home in the fetal position for the next 48 hours. And searching out the nearest CBD shop.
Yeah, that might help calm you down. Laying on the food. You want me to get out of the shot?
Thank you for joining us at Getting Spicy with Bill for our second attempt. Thank you to Duke and to 24 Hot Chicken here in Studio City. With their home locations in Plano, Texas, outside of Dallas. It's their second location. Big shout out to all of you for letting us do this and for going off menu and really upping the ante for what we can do.
Yeah.
My stomach is already unhappy with me. Kristin, thank you so much for joining me
Thanks
in
for
this
having
roller
me.
coaster. Real quick, what are you doing? What do you got to promo? You're in a couple of shows, a couple things going on
Oh
right
yeah,
now.
I'm in a play called Constantinople right now in North Hollywood at the Secret Rose Theater. And it's going very well. We're in the middle of our run right now until November 2nd. And it's a great play with many different Armenian history storylines intertwining, and feminism and sexuality that's questioned, and like a lot of cool things with it. And then I'm in a web series called Mercredes Mond, which is just dropped the first 3 episodes of 5. It's hilarious. My friend Jill Tenney of Jetflix Films created this, and this character is hilarious. She's a professional corpse, so she's very fun.
Please
Thank
subscribe
you.
to our YouTube channels and our Instagrams, Arthousebill and Getting Spicy with Bill. So until next time, I think we just about got to the spice level that I was looking for. So join us again, and we'll see you in another part of LA, seeing if it'll be spicy enough for Bill.
Woo! Spiciest pee ever.